In a hidden glen where the moonlight danced on the leaves lived a gentle fairy named Lila. With wings that shimmered like morning dew, she adored watching over the enchanted forest and all its creatures. One day, Lila discovered that the magical flowers of the forest were losing their glow. Without their light, the forest would soon lose its enchantment. Determined to restore the beauty, Lila set off on a quest to find the source of light. As she journeyed, Lila faced several challenges. The path was blocked by a mischievous squirrel who hoarded the forest's secrets and a dark fog that whispered fears into her heart. With gentle words and kindness, Lila persuaded the squirrel to share the way, and she found the courage to disperse the fog with her light. Each step brought her closer to the source of light. Finally, Lila reached the source of light, a radiant crystal nestled in a hidden cave. With a gentle touch, she restored the glow to the flowers, filling the forest with magic once more. As the flowers bloomed vibrantly, Lila learned that kindness and courage are the truest forms of magic. The forest flourished, and every creature celebrated the return of enchantment. So remember, dear listener, that in moments of darkness, a little light and kindness can bring enchantment back into our lives. Sleep well, and let your dreams be filled with magic.